Hey guys, I don't like doing this, but I mean, we've been told by some of the pro YouTubers out there, the algorithm likes it when we say like, subscribe, comment. So if you guys watch the video, if you like the video, do us a favor, like it, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, helps us out. Thanks again and enjoy the video. So Blair, can we make it fit with that piece of pipe? I mean, I'm looking, it's pretty self-evident. Like this goes in here. Like, I'm quite impressed with that goes in there.
You always are.
And this one goes here, or what?
What is it?
Or it broke.
I gotta go. What the heck are you doing?
Hanging the exhaust.
Oh.
Right, so we just need a new piece of strap.
So you just want to go from A to B.
That's what I'm
And
thinking.
we can always get from A to B, but how far up does this control arm go up and down? Right, you see that?
Well,
Right?
I don't know.
Let's see, Blair, is that? Well, the control arm here is gonna go up and down.
Well, this is
We gotta
where,
be
I
up
mean,
high enough. Like if we lift this way up here.
but these are the car is picked up on the control arm, and that's as high as it is, right? The whole car's
Move the pipe
sitting
again.
on the control arm.
Move the pipe plate.
Right?
Yeah, so you're worried about that.
You know what I mean? This whole car is sitting on all the weight's on it, so I can't see it going up.
Wait, the car's gonna have Mike and Avery in it.
Yeah, but,
It's gonna come down.
yeah, but.
Hang on it.
There's 250 pounds.
Okay,
And we're gonna
add
be sitting
Avery.
at the front, right? I mean,
Yeah,
most-
okay, so I still think if we went up a little higher,
Hang on, yeah.
we could shorten these hooks on them up here.
I mean, we can put this up here somewhere, right? I mean, that's where it should hang. Well, you don't want it bouncing against the floor either. But those are the factory hooks, right?
Okay, well, we might have to shorten the factory hooks.
Well, the back one there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the back
I mean,
one.
we gotta pick this side up is
Yeah.
all, right?
Well, just the back, it's just a broken strap, right? There's just a broken strap there.
Oh, let me see here. Oh. Yeah, okay, no problem, we can do this.
Yeah.
Release it, Blair?
They gave us a 7-foot chunk of this pipe.
Yeah. But I mean, you're up against a spring, so it's gotta be over,
Yeah.
right? And, yeah, we need to cut off a little ways back there.
Yeah. Because this is just hanging here, like this is wrong,
Let me see.
right? And that's the factory hanger, right? So this is wrong. It
It's all
should,
round.
yeah, it's
It's
just,
all round around the exhaust. That's not,
yeah, this is just whatever. We can make something better, right?
yeah, we just weld on a piece of brown stock
Yeah,
to go through the rubber hanger, right?
yeah.
So weld that to the pipe, and once we're happy with that, then we come back here somewhere and cut it off.
Cut it off because they just sent us, I think they sent us, oh, jeez.
What, that's a 10-foot stick?
Well, they gave us a 7-foot stick.
Oh, yeah, lots.
Hang on. God almighty, I feel like Avery. Yeah. I think this is the right size. Blair, is that the right OD?
Well, it doesn't matter. Oh, perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I can always flare the end if we want to shoulder it, right?
Yeah.
Sleeve it. So
Anyway,
yeah,
so that solves our exhaust problem.
where's the rust hole you were talking
Oh,
about?
here, on this side, Avery pretended he was Blair.
There's a bunch of hammering.
No, he did the easy stuff.
Right here. Oh,
Oh, I see.
I just do a piece all the way back to here and that solves the issue, right?
Yeah.
It's a loop and a bend.
Yeah, I'll just make a piece up to here.
Yeah.
Well done.
I've never welded on these, but the rest of the car looks really solid.
Well, that looked really solid. I mean, yeah, I'm blown away. This is all good. I don't
Yeah.
get it. How many miles?
225, so 140,000, yeah.
Oh, wait.
I mean, somebody, I bet your lady,
It looks good. Look at
I bet
this.
your lady owned this.
There's hardly any rock chips.
Yeah, look at the upholstery. I mean, like, look at this thing. It's way too nice for me.
I know, but Mike, it's a, what is it, a Firefly?
Yeah. But,
So,
but look, it's a luxury edition.
but why?
Because I can. Bet you Cass would like this, but I'm not
Oh,
gonna.
she would. Now this suits her.
No,
Like
it
I like
suits
the two
me.
yellow ones out there.
What?
Just like I like the two yellow ones out there.
Could you see yourself driving this?
Yeah.
I mean, it would suit you, right?
No, when
Your
you
head
the
would
truck.
stick above
It's
the
my
windshield.
size.
There's more headroom in this than my Chevelle. You don't, 20 bucks.
No.
20 bucks.
No.
Bet me
You
20
wouldn't bet
bucks.
me this morning twice.
I did bet you. What did we bet on?
I won. Yeah.
What did we
What
bet
about-
on?
That white wasn't the right one. Well, it is. I looked.
Yep.
Yeah.
Show me the video.
Just a second. Joshua Pearson.
Let's see. Show me bright white and it matches the upholstery. Is that what you're telling me?
Let me just find the video. You gotta calm down.
Find the
I
video.
don't need the video. I got the chills. Josh took it.
It's been so long since we built that car.
Look at that bright, bright white.
You can't see that. You can't see anything there. Show me the picture of the door panel, the paint. You can't even see the paint, and that's what you're going by?
Look at
Where
that.
is it?
Look how bright white that is.
Show me the door panel.
I'll have to look at the
can't.
video.
You can't
It's
see
all
the
same
door panel.
color. Because it's the same color.
No, it's not. I bet you that's the same color as this.
Not a
Yep.
chance.
You're trying to steal from me, Blair.
forget it. We'll prove it later.
Yes, but show me
Right
the.
now, let's try it.
Okay.
What's your schedule on this?
Okay. Anyway,
When do you have to have
bet
it
me $20 that this has less headroom than my Chevelle. Bet me. Come on.
White. Bright white.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. That's one for me.
This has more headroom than my Chevelle.
I'm such a lousy winner.
Okay, bet me. Bet me this. Come on.
Nah, I'm good. I'm on a roll as usual.
So what? You don't believe that my Chevelle has more headroom than this little car?
Well, I mean, the seats are worn out, so it probably has more headroom than your
They're
Chevelle.
brand new. So are my Chevelle seats.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm good. I don't care. I don't think anyone should drive one of these. Cassidy. This is made for Cass.
No, it's made for me. It has more headroom than my Chevelle.
Poor thing. 3-cylinder.
I
You're
love
gonna
it.
take this up to Coquihalla?
With Avery. Yeah. We're gonna torture test it.
because the suspension's always gonna be like this.
Blair, look, my Chevelle, my head hits the roof. In this car, I got like 4 inches.
Yeah, 2.5.
Anyway, and on my Chevelle, my head hits the
I
roof.
mean, you gotta watch it. The corner of your head could cut a hole in that roof.
No, I love these cars.
His pointy head. It's a really cool car for somebody else, Mike. Sounds like editing on Mike Thomas. Look out!
Like it's no girl fit.
Feel that performance.
What?
Feel the performance.